Hey folks, Brian here. Today I'm working on the Juiced Bikes CrossCurrent X, and I want to show you that this bike stand, the PRS-25, holds up this very heavy bike of 65 pounds without any issues. I've left this overnight and I don't see any sag with the bike wanting to go back this way. Just in case, I also put some boxes there, but there was no need for it. The other tool I've been using is this elaborate coat hanger, some may say, the Park Tool HBH2. It holds the handlebars straight so they don't move. Anyway, I'm sure you could craft your own through coat hangers, or I used to use an exercise band. Anyway, hope this helps. Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye.